Hey guys, I'm HP, this is Dr. Pink, and today's topic is Come On Feel the Noise by Quiet Riot. There are many versions of this song. The original I think is from Slade, but I honestly, I first knew the version of Quiet Riot because I was a Quiet Riot fan at those time when they came out, and I really love that version. So it's that version. It's not the same as the one of Slade, but basically probably a yes, but it's just played differently. Yeah. Before we get started, make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification button. Also became a member of the HPCrazy Guitar Academy to get these tabs, which I wrote for you, and the backing track, which I produced. But you don't need the backing track. I mean, well, you can for practice work, of course, but I'm going to show you the riffs, how they probably are played. You know, it's like something like this. Come on, feel the noise. Girl, rock the boy. Don't know why. Don't know why. If you think you have a funny face, I don't know. Well, and that's, I mean, I'm not a singer. Sorry, guys. I just want to show you how the thing works with the lyrics together. I'm going to show the riffs, how you can play them. But on the original recording, there's two things to know. First of all, I'm pretty sure it's tuned on 432 hertz, like AC/DC did. Gives a more special sound. This is tuned now 440 hertz. And the other thing is, there are overdubs, meaning this. When you look to live, I think there's only one guitar player, but you hear at least two guitars on the recording. So I'm going to show you the riff, how it can be played with one guitar. And the solo I don't show, you can play anything over G major, pentatonics, and let's get started with this one here. Okie dokie, so it starts with just drums, and then come on, feel the noise. I can go at that pitch, I just imitate the thing. And then there comes the end to this, that one. That's the only trick which I don't really can do, which I cannot do really properly because I never used it. You just take the back side of your pick and you start playing. It's a typical trick in rock to enter something and the singer makes ow, and then it starts, okay? So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, there, do now. And then it starts. So there are two parts. The riffs are really simple, but the form is honestly it's a pain in the ass because once it's 8 bars, then it's 10 bars, then it's 8 bars again, then it's 10 bars again. It's really tricky, but the riffs themselves are simple. You have first G, then B5, G5 here, 3, 5. Just there palm muted 8, 1 and 2, and you change on 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1, 2. You go from G5 to B5 here, second, fourth to E5, and you change on 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 2 bars. Then comes the and I don't know why, and the don't know why, that's the lyrics, and there you make A minor to G5 here, ring finger the third, A string is damped to D5 twice. I'm gonna show you with the track. Oh damn. But I don't know what. Same thing again. But I don't know. And now here we have the first thing I said, always 8 bars, 10 bars. Then we have Then we have 2 bars. 1 bar is E5 to D5. Then in the end is the refrain. Okay? So we have and now this is the entry phrase to the refrain. And then now comes the refrain. Come on, feel the noise. That goes like this. Come on, feel the noise. We have G5, 3rd fret. You can just do like this and you play only till to the G string, to D with the F sharp in the bass. Here, middle finger here, to E5. So same rhythm, 1, 2 and 3, 4 and 1, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2. So that one is on 1, that one is on 3, and that one is 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4 and 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1. Then again, A minor G, D5, same rhythm, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then it repeats itself, and as I said, it's always 8 bars, 10 bars. The second time you play it has a little add at the end. It was not clear what is played, but it's something like a C. Then we have 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Just goes quickly to C and back to D, and then they hold it for 2 bars, and then it goes in the verse again. I'm gonna try to play the whole thing for you now, because that's basically the form, okay? Then we check the guitar solo, the chords, and that's it. Then the same thing comes at the ending again. 1 verse, 1 chorus, and then the chorus repeats itself with ad-libs, little fill-ins and stuff like that. But that's what is played. So if you know the verse and the chorus, you know the song. It's verse, chorus, guitar solo. We're gonna check that the chords out after that, and then again verse, chorus, and then chorus on repeat. Okay, so the whole thing from the beginning. Come on, feel the noise, girl, rock the boys. Don't know why, don't know why. So you think I have a funny face? Now the additional 2 bars. Now refrain. Come on, feel the noise. Go rock the boys. It's wild, wild, wild. Wild, wild. Again. Come on, feel the noise. Go rock the boys. Now additional 1. Now the whole thing starts again. And the whole thing starts again. Okay? So, that is placed twice. Now when it goes to the solo, let me quickly go there. We have 4 bars, just drums, and this makes come on, feel the noise. You just play the chords without bass, and then now then comes 2 bars of A5 and 2 bars of D5, where the guitar solo starts. The form is really complicated, I must say. I'm really fast getting songs in my brain, but this one, always with 8 and 10 bars, made me really go wild. Took me three tries to get it done. Normally it only takes me one try. Once I know this, listen to the song, I know it, then I play it. But here it took me 3. I always fell in this trap because this 8-10 thing is not an unusual thing. Probably that's why the song is so iconic, because it's something you're not used to. You don't really know what it is, but it's something which sounds different. It's this 8 bars and 10 bars. This makes a whole brain go turn around. Okay, so the solo is 2 bars, A5 to D5, and then the solo is on this figure. Is on the chorus again, and ends again with A minor to D5. So then A minor twice, and then again, and second time, instead of going A minor, we play 2 bars A minor and D5. I'm gonna show you now. Now comes the guitarlesson. Now goes the verse. Now goes to the verse. Yo, that was the whole thing. What you can do here with this is damped technique. So you know. When you change, you just remove the palm muting to give these kicks. Or when you do this. I just did one version which works, but you can listen to the original. There are 2 guitars. One guitar just makes, and the other one makes. So it's this is something in between. You first make this, and then you go into the palm muting technique. Yo guys, that was a song. Come on, feel the noise, girls rock the boys by Quiet Riot. If you want to download the tabs here, probably easier to keep in mind when it's the 8 bars and the 10 bars. It really gives you a knot in your brain. Like, they're available in the HPCrazy guitar community as well as the backing track where you can practice the whole thing. It's just drum and bass. Yeah. One more to say, if you love my channel, please share it to all your friends, subscribe to my channel. Also join the HPCrazy Academy, even if you don't want to make the premium membership upgrade, because there is my only social media feed is there. You can just follow what I'm doing as a musician, as an artist and stuff like that. And you also can book private lessons there if any questions about if this was too fast for you or something. You can book a private lesson and I'm gonna show it on your level. It's always hard to make general lessons for everybody, you know. For some it's too slow, for others it's too fast, so always try something in between. But if you have difficulties, take private lessons and then we're cool to go. Good, me and Dr. Pink are saying, come on, feel the noise, bye guys.